Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to hide your likes on Twitter. Protecting your privacy on social media is important, and hiding your likes is one way to keep your activity a bit more private. Let's jump right in. First, open the Twitter app on your device. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture icon located in the top left corner to open the menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings and Support, then tap on Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, choose Privacy and Safety. Next, tap on Audience and Tagging. Now, to hide your likes from people who aren't following you, enable the setting called Protect Your Tweets. When this option is turned on, only your followers will be able to see the tweets you've liked. It's a great way to add an extra layer of privacy, though keep in mind that your followers can still see your likes. And that's it! Now your likes will be hidden from anyone who isn't following you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy social media tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.